बदलने के लिए पहले उसको अलग दृष्टिकोण से देखना शुरू करें. So this was ancient wisdom, but this ancient wisdom resonates so deeply within us, especially today when we talk of artificial intelligence and innovation. So AI and innovation are two powerful tools which are helping us reimagine the world not just as it is, but as it can be. So good morning everyone. ये हमारे लिए अत्यंत सम्मान और सौभाग्य की बात है कि आज इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर जेपी पांडे सर, जो एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी लखनऊ उत्तर प्रदेश के माननीय कुलपति हैं, हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं. सर, आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है. आपने जिस तरह उत्तर प्रदेश के तकनीकी शिक्षा को नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाने की अभी तक चेष्टा की है और बहुत चीज़ों में नई पहल कर रहे हैं, वो हम सभी शिक्षकों और छात्रों के लिए मार्गदर्शन है. On behalf of Lloyd Institute of Management and Technology and the entire Lloyd Group, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for coming in. हमें गर्व है कि आज हमारे साथ कुछ exceptional thought leaders हैं और मैं अपने गेस्ट और स्पीकर्स, सभी रिसोर्स पर्सन, सभी डेलीगेट्स का दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. I take this opportunity to welcome the guests on and off the dais. Forgive me if I miss any. I welcome our mentor, guide and support of Lloyd Group, Professor Roop K. Khar sir. Sir, thank you for coming in. I welcome Mr. Rajiv Gulati, ex-president Ranbaxy and ex-CMD Eli Lilly and a friend to Lloyd. I welcome Mr. Raman Kumar Khepar from Jubilant Biosis. I welcome Dr. Himanshu Chaturvedi from ICMR. I take this opportunity to welcome our keynote speaker, Dr. Rajiv Chipper, the Vice President External Affairs of Sahajanand Medical Technologies. I welcome Mr. Asim Kumar Datta from Jubilant, Ms. Parul from Sun Pharmaceuticals, Mr. Sudhanshu from Abbott, Ms. Shri, who is the co-founder of Belem, Dr. Rahul Amritraj, Mr. Vipin Tyagi, Dr. Pooja Fogat, Ms. Meenal Bhatt, Ms. Sharmila from IBM, Dr. Ashima Punyani from IQVIA, special guests of the occasion, all directors of various colleges, faculty and students from all across the nation. I heartily welcome all of you again. And all the resource persons who are acclaimed in not only pharmacy, because we have people from technology also today. So I take this opportunity to welcome all of you and 1,500 registered delegates that are going to be witnessing this show and thousands who are watching us online. Our strong pillars in pharmacy and the organizing committee, Dr. Lalit, Dr. Chitra, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Dr. Shilpa and Dr. Ashish were also the conveners. And last, our powerhouse, our visionary president and owner, Shri Manohar Thairani. Sir, I'll take a moment to highlight some of the key achievements and initiatives that had happened at Lloyd Institute of Management and Technology and Lloyd Group as a whole. Sir, we laid the foundation in 2004, which was exactly 2 decades ago in pharmacy and management. And around 2021, we also started engineering. By God's grace, we also started a skill center by setting up centers of drones and electric vehicles in engineering at that time. And Almighty has been kind to us. That a story that started with a handful of students and a couple of faculty now houses close to 9,000 students. Sir, our pharmacy program is NBA accredited, and we are proud to have received the DSIR approval, which allows us to engage in research. Our institution, sir, is also featured in the rank band in NRF in the pharmacy program. One of the key achievements, as we spoke in the morning also, sir, is that we have been organizing Job Fest since the last 9 years. And this platform connects candidates of pharmacy, not only from Lloyd, not only from Delhi NCR, but from candidates all across the nation. Up till now, when we started in 2015, up till now, we have found placements for close to 2,100 candidates and around 12,000 students in totality have participated in this job fest. So one of the two of the main labs that we operate not only for business students or engineering but also for pharmacy students is our IBM Business Analytics Lab, because of our collaboration with IBM, where we offer courses on data analytics. And very recently we have started a stock investment lab called the Finance Lab, and this lab also offers programs for investment to all the students of Lloyd. In response to the growing demands of the data-driven decision-making for entrepreneurs, and for all the candidates who are looking for jobs, so we have recently started a Pharma analytics course in collaboration with IBM, and we'll be officially launching that program today too. Also, sir, we have a certification program in pharmaceutical law, where the nitty-gritties of the legal system, which is very much required in the pharmaceutical sector and industry, are taught to the students. So there are short-term and long-term programs going up to an 11-month diploma in pharmaceutical law, and there has been a huge demand for that. So we also did a course, we do a course on food and nutrition, which is undertaken by the industry partners only. So also taking initiatives in Indian knowledge system, we have recently started courses on yoga and IKS. And students benefit from the deep wisdom of the ancient scriptures, and also there is a physical yoga class every day for the student. Here we foster a culture of technology and business incubator startup as well, and that has been an initiative of AKTU, and we are much thankful to VC sir for getting that initiative started in the entire UP, and we are also a part of that. So very recently Lloyd started a Lloyd Technology and Business Incubator. We already have 10 incubatees, and our niche area, sir, is health tech. The students are working, and we also invite incubatees which are not a part of Lloyd also to get themselves registered in this incubator. So these achievements are a few examples of what we have been doing in the past, and it has also led to more than 90% placements, which has been a record in the last 9 years, and the highest being 7.2 lakhs per annum, which I believe is a good salary for a graduate that is a Pharm pass out. So we have strong industry collaborations with companies like Dabur, with Multani Pharmaceuticals. We perform analytical research work and solve industry problems. We have done so, sir, for Cadila, we have done for Dr. Reddy's, for Patanjali Ayurved, amongst many others. Coming to today's conference, we are going to be witnessing, sir, presentations and keynote addresses by around 55 resource persons who are going to be sharing their expertise. We received 620 abstracts, and 506 abstracts were accepted, and we shall be releasing the souvenirs soon. There have been more than 1,500 registrations, and we are also featuring this online for a lot of global participants to watch us on YouTube. So today's theme, which is on transformative journey, harnessing AI and innovation. So very popular terms used as a fad also by many. Everybody wants to talk about artificial intelligence, innovation. And this reminds me, very recently Mukesh Ambani did an interview with NVIDIA, and he quoted PM Modi when he said that India is an aspirational country as of today. We are the only country where we have 1.2 billion people under the age of 35, and that, my dear friends, includes you as well. So India is going to be one of the biggest intelligence markets, and I think here he meant artificial intelligence, but we hope that with so many people under the age of 35, it is going to be a lot of natural intelligence as well. In fact, just a day ago, just 2 days ago in Times of India, it featured Willow, if any of you had a chance to read it. So it is a new chip called Willow, which works on quantum computing. And it is very interesting, to know the features of this Willow chip and what it can do for us. So the article said that this Willow chip can do computational faster than supercomputers also. Any complex problem that a supercomputer will take 10 septilinear years, which can be solved by this Willow chip, which works on quantum computing. Now, what does it mean to all of us? So it all sounds very interesting, but a lot of us are still illiterate when it comes to AI and terms like quantum computing. When it comes to traffic systems, because that's very general, so imagine safer cars, because traffic systems are optimized instantly, or there are financial models which can predict the market trends very accurately, and it prevents economic crisis. Since a lot of us are pharmacy background professionals here, so what does it mean, something like a Willow chip, something like quantum computing, why we should be studying this, what it implies to us? So in the world of pharmaceuticals, where developing a new drug takes close to 10 to 15 years, and it costs billions of dollars, because it involves analyzing countless molecules and it runs trials after trials and failures after failures. So this Willow chip can actually change the game. It can simulate how a potential drug molecule interacts with the proteins in the human body. Something that could take today's computers also decades to calculate. So this means faster development of new medicines, especially for diseases like cancer, for diseases like Alzheimer's, and newly coming diseases like COVID. Also, have you ever wondered why various patients respond differently to various medications? It's because of our different genetic makeup. So a Willow chip can sensitize the medication, and there are chances of customization of medication also for individual bodies. That means that we can have more cost-effective and most efficient medicines coming in future. So it's a very exciting time. With innovation, we are not just imagining the future, but we, my dear friends, are building it. So I will request all the delegates, all the faculty, research scholars to take maximum advantage of these sessions. To conclude, मैं एक बारी फिर सभी speakers, patrons, delegates का स्वागत करती हूँ. Let us embark on this transformative journey together. जैसे कि कहते हैं, मिलकर चलने से मंजिल आसान होता है और मंजिल तक पहुँचने का सफ़र एक कहानी बन जाती है. Thank you, और आप सभी के साथ एक inspiring और impactful दिन की उम्मीद रखती हूँ मैं. Please ensure to share your feedback with us so that we can improve next time. Thank you once again, VC sir. Thank you to all the dignitaries. With the blessings of Almighty, we start the conference. Thank you and God bless.